Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to me in front of you to deliver my presentation. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Iando Adityawan from Institut Teknologi 10 November Indonesia. The topic of my presentation today is the effect of various composition of slip additive on mechanical properties of stainless steel PA6 composite as alternative fungible material. Using frangible bullets has come primary concern like in military and restricted area usage. The use of this type of bullet is one of them is to prevent the ricochet accident phenomenon. The ricochet accident phenomenon is the phenomenon that the bullet bounce back because hit of hard target and still have energy to get a move. So the bullet not deformed totally, but just partially. This fungible bullet has a different properties from conventional bullet made from lead material. The conventional bullet made from lead material and covered by a metal such as a copper metal, and they destroy object fast and easily cause ricochet incidents. The particular property of frangible is that they will experience deformation when pounding or hit the hard target. Many frangible bullets are developed with copper powder compressed and bound by tin powder from the sintering process. Currently, using copper metal in the bullet manufacture is very common. This material is relatively expensive and has limited availability in the nature. Therefore, the search is carried out for the new metals with closer property with copper metal. This figure explains how the full metal jacket or conventional bullet uh, pass the gelatin test, and the frangible you can see the figure have a different pass like in the human body. The research from Belanger et al. Frangible property is made by mixing the copper powder with thermoplastic resin from polyamide group 11 and 12 through an injection molding process. In the ideal powder percentage produced from this process is 92.5% to 93.5% and have percentage elongation upper 1.7%. And then the research from Banovic et al., the material of composite, uh, sorry, the composite is the integration, the ratio of composite for frangible bullet is 9:1 by weight ratio, and it has been found that the porosity of the frangible material can affect the performance of the frangible bullet. In this research, the alternative material uh, uh, used to replace the copper material that commonly used in the frangible bullet. And the objective of this research is to find the anti-ricochet bullet with low cost material processing and have a mechanical similarity from the copper material. So we use composite material from stainless steel metal with polyamide 6, and the fabrication method is injection molding process, and we doing the mechanical test like tensile test and compressive test. And then the objective of the research is get the alternative material to replace copper metal in frangible bullet. For the to have a good composite material, there are several steps to fabricate the composite. The first step is compounding process. These two material, these two material are mixed with ratio 9:1 by weight ratio. Then the addition of slip additive that in this study used stearamide was added in small amount for 0 to 1.5 weight percent. The mixing used double cone mixer with rotation speed of 25 rpm for 2 hours. After obtaining the compounding, then the metal powder and polymer was carried using double screw extruder and have extruder speed of 12 rpm and temperature of 240 degrees Celsius. And the picture explain the feedstock of material from compounding process. The second step is injection molding process. The injection process is carried by putting composite feedstock mixed in the previous process. As mold used in this injection process in the form of tensile and compressive test specimen. In the fabrication process, injection parameters are used to obtain good density value and reduce porosity formation in the composite material. The injection parameter used in the fungible bulk fabrication process are followed in the table 1. So this is the injection molding parameter to make the fungible material. Then for the tensile and compressive test specimen, we use standard for ISTM D638 type 5 for the tensile and D695 standard for the compressive material. And then the microstructural analysis was doing for the composite. You can see in the wet spot in the right mark, that is the slip additive that spread in the composite homogeneously. Then the elongation percentage ratio. This percentage elongation value needs to be known. It is able to analyze the toughness of frangible bullet when the bullet is released from the casing and passed through the gun chamber. According to the research conducted by Belanger, the percentage value of the resulting elongation has a value more than 1.7%. If the percentage of elongation before breaking is too low, the projectile will break up when deformed by the rifling of the weapon. The composite produced in this study had a decreasing value trend along with the addition of stearamide to the composite. You can see in the curve of the composite of elongation percentage. There is a decreased value of the elongation percentage. And then compressive strength ratios, according to the research conducted by Ridlow, the compressive strength value of frangible bullet range from 31 to 310 MPa. When a bullet is fired and before hits the target, a frangible bullet must not experience deformation. The deformation happens when the bullet hits a hard target. From the addition of stearamide carried out in this research, it can be seen that the resulting composite experience an increase in compressive strength value along with the addition of stearamide. A significant increase occurred with the addition of stearamide from 0 to 0.5 weight percent and a gradual constant increase with the addition 1 to 1.5 stearamide percent. And the conclusion of the research, the investigation of metal substitute for fungible material from copper metal to stainless metal, it can be effectively to be as a candidate alternative material for fungible. From mechanical testing, can be concluded that the addition of slip additive can effectively raise to the compressive strength of the composite material, making the composite more brittle by creating a layer on the polymer surface to reduce mechanical bonding and friction between particle surface. The addition of silk additive makes the percentage elongation value decrease, making the composite material has low toughness value. The addition of 0.5% weight percent silk additive more effectively to characterization of frangible material. This is my reference, and thank you for your attention.